Hello friends, good morning. Myself Pranjali, ShahDerivative Analyst and Anagram Capital Limited, Ahmedabad. We start with an outlook of Union Budget likely to be a trend decider if the trend in the derivative market are an indication. March series has begun on relatively lighter note in comparison with previous series. Leverage positions are lower in value terms at rupees 93,863 crores versus rupees 98,420 crore at the beginning of February series. Rollover to March series were a bit lower for index in comparison with previous series. Nifty rollover were at 65% versus 67% in the previous series and last 3 months average of 68%. Whereas market-wide rollover to March series were marginally lower at 83% versus 84% in the previous series and last 3 months average of 84%. In value terms, Nifty open interest at the beginning of new series is rupees 65,248 crores versus 64,742 crores, which is 0.78% higher than the previous series. Stock future open interest has witnessed 20.06% fall in the series in value terms. New series started with open interest of rupees 26,923 crore as against rupees 33,679 crore in the previous series. Nifty March future closed the week at 5,313.80 at premium of 10.2 points to the spot. First day of this new series witnessed a sharp drop in volumes. Turnover was sharply lower in F&O segment at rupees 1,07,078 crores as against rupees 2,77,277 crores on the previous trading session. On Friday, overall open interest in value terms increased by rupees 7,514 crores, or we can say 8.01% to rupees 1,01,377 crore, while in quantitative terms, open interest went up by 4.99% to 199.57 crore shares from 190.07 crore shares. On Friday, Nifty open interest PCR rose to 1.28 on back of heavy put addition at 5,000 and 5,100 strikes. Outlook for the week. As anticipated, an expiry week remained volatile and the February series also continued the trend from previous series. Higher inflation, lower IIP data, negative news flow from global arena, and consistent unwinding of FIIs and their toll on markets. Nifty fell by about 6.09% through the series. On weekly basis, Nifty posted significant losses of 155 points and closed 2.84% lower at 5,303.55. Leverage positions were comparatively much lower at the beginning of new series. Lower rollover for index future, which is 65% versus 67% in the previous series, were indicative of unsurety among players regarding near-term trend. Also, premium of 10 points on Nifty future March are indicative of trapped long positions. New series has begun on optimistic note. Opening day of new series witnessed addition in open interest of 8.01% in value terms and 4.99% in quantitative terms. FII's action is suggestive of unwinding in cash segment and build-up of short position on index. The big trigger for the market in the coming week is Union Budget for the year 2011-12 to be presented in Parliament on Monday, which is 28th February 2011. Expectations are all-time low this time around from the budget. As such, few reform-oriented steps and or market-friendly announcement would certainly arrest FII selling and would trigger post-budget rally. Thank you. Have a fabulous trading week ahead and we hope that all of you earn good profits.